আকাশ ভরা সূর্য তারা বিশ্ব ভরা প্রাণ, তাহারই মাঝখানে আমি পেয়েছি মোর স্থান। বিস্ময়ে তাই জাগে জাগে আমার গান। Hari Om. Ravindra Jayanti is celebrated annually and globally in May on the 25th day of the Bengali month of Baishakh. It generally falls on 7th May. Rabindranath was born in 1861. Tagore is referred to as Gurudev, Kavi Guru, and Vishwakavi rightly. He was a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright, essayist, and a painter who introduced new prose and verse forms and also colloquial language into Bengali literature. He is generally regarded as the outstanding creative artist of early 20th century India. He became the first non-European to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. The son of the religious reformer Maharshi Devendranath Tagore and Sharda Devi, Rabindranath or Ravi was the last of the 13 children born to a rich zamindar family. Rabindranath wrote his first poem at the age of 8, and at the age of 16, Tagore's first large collection of poetry was published under the pseudonym of Bhanu Singha. He didn't approve the system of formal education. Hence, he set up Shanti Niketan, which invented its own syllabus, one that keeps students abreast of political, social, and environmental changes in the country. Rabindranath wrote 2,232 songs, which is known as Rabindra Sangeet. The songs have distinctive characteristics in music of Bengal. Rabindra Sangeet include significant amount of ornamentation and is filled with expressions of romanticism. The music is mostly based on Hindustani classical, Carnatic classical music, Western tunes, and the inherent folk music of Bengal. Music and lyrics both hold almost equal importance in Rabindra Sangeet. Tagore created 6 new tals because he felt the traditional tals existing at that time could not do justice and were coming in the way of the seamless narrative of the lyrics. The songs cover topics from humanism, introspection, psychology, romance, yearning, nostalgia, reflection, and modernism. Tagore needs no introduction. He is appreciated globally. Tagore was one of the greatest narrators of all time. A master of metaphor, it is often difficult to identify the true meaning that underlies his texts. But what is truly great about Tagore is that his songs are identifiable with any and every possible mood, with every possible situation that is encountered in the course of life. Rabindra Sangeet has at its heart some unbelievably powerful poetry. The Upanishads influenced his writing throughout his life, and his devotional music is addressed almost always to an inanimate entity, a personal and private God. He also composed songs for his numerous plays and dance dramas. Apart from this, the book containing all the 2,232 songs is called Gitobitan or Garden of Songs. There are 6 major parts of this book: Puja, Prem, Prakriti, Swadesh, Anushtanik, and Vichitra. He has written almost 100 short stories. He was the first Bengali writer to elevate the short stories into serious art form. He easily intermingled stark realism and poetic idealism in his stories, which reflected the contemporary life in rural and urban Bengal. He has written at least 11 novels. Many Giti-natyas and Nritya-natyas also form a great place in his literary works. He wrote his first musical drama, Valmiki Pratibha, at the age of 17. Through the Nritya Natika Chandalika, Tagore spoke of existing practice of untouchability prevalent during his time. He was a social reformer. Ideas of sympathy, empathy, freedom teemed in Tagore's writing and shaped his life. He also faced many tragedies in his life. The untimely death of his daughter and son had broken him down completely. Bengal celebrates this day with numerous cultural programs and events such as Kobi Pranam, songs, poetry, dances, plays written and composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore's career extended over a period of more than 60 years. He might have left us long ago, but he continues to live within us through his forms of art and memories. Tagore exists and will be living with us forever. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om, myself Indrani Sarkar. Now I am going to sing a Rabindra Sangeet. Sajani Sajani Radhika